now after like 2-3 months of time that I've spent with ASTA. This is the best decision of my life what I chose. हमारे लिए तो भंडारा है.
अवधूत साथे ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी.
Basically, I am a fresher in this field. You know, I had left my professional job and I wanted to develop some skill of mine which helps me to till my retirement. I'm like not very old right now, but still, you know, I wanted to do something in which I can take care of my child, I can take care of my family, and I can do something which is till my retirement. I was working for a very good company and I left my job because I was not happy with what I was doing with. But then when I chose this path, I think this is the best decision of my life what I chose. When I started learning the SMM, starting from the Eye-Opener and then the market orientation, all those sessions which I've attended. But I've understood now after like 2-3 months of time that I've spent with ASTA. When the SMM started, I was like, used to ask certain questions. In fact, other students also used to ask certain questions, which, you know, we used to get the answer, wait for Papa, you'll get the answers. I used to think why there is this level that, you know, we have to wait for Papa to come. But now after, you know, attending the seminar and just 1 week of the Papa has started, I've understood why there are levels. And even the mind management which Sir teaches, it's amazing. The way Sir tells few lines, also I've written all those lines like a Bible with me, that, you know, how these lines for mind management is also so important. Even every word what he utters also, not just he writes, even what he utters also is really, sometimes it's catchy. I remember what Prasad Sir told yesterday morning, that the first half of Papa's seminar is always very important. You know, it's like something new for even the mentees also come. So I can imagine हमारे लिए तो भंडारा है. I consider myself lucky that I chose ASTA for this, and I would definitely like to continue this journey for a mission, definitely. Thank you.
So yeah, you are pouring out your emotions, huh?
Yes, I can show this to Sir if at all Sir wants to see.
Wow.
This whole book, I have filled it only with these notes. And, you know, since morning I have been writing, my pen is also going to get over.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great, yeah. I mean,
But it's
so ऐसा dedication रहेगा तो ऐसे student चाहिए हम. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ ना, if you join ASTA, if you are a serious student.
Yes.
This is exactly what I mean.
Yes, sir. I did not want to miss any word of yours, that I miss it and I forget about it later on. I wanted to, that's why I write it. Maybe I've written some things multiple times, but because I did not want to miss it, that's why I was writing it every time.
Great. Harshita, all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear. Thanks for all the kind words.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Become a pro, money will flow, the fastest way to grow. Avadhut Sathe Trading Academy.
To register for our upcoming stock market eye-openers, click on the link in the description box.